Unlimited yakiniku with over 60 different kinds of meats and side dishes na merong napakaraming branches all over Manila, Pampanga, Bulacan at meron din sa Baguio City. I-search mo na lang kung ano yung pinakamalapit sa location mo. This is Yoshimitsu. I-search nyo na lang kung anong branch yung pinakamalapit sa hometown nyo. At sa araw na to, dahil matindi ang yakiniku cravings natin, kaya nagpunta tayo dito. Yung unlimited set nila is worth 649 pesos. There's beef, pork, and chicken and different kinds of marinade and different cuts din. Gustong-gusto ko itong mga beef enoki and kani roll. Merong chicken karaage available in 4 different flavors. Pati crispy chicken skin, 4 na flavors din. You also get 4 different kinds of maki. Pinakagusto ko itong spicy. Dun pa lang parang sobra-sobra na, diba? Pero hindi lang yan. Meron din tayong tempura. Of course, we also have kimchi. Meron ding soup, plain rice, and kimchi rice. Kasama na rin ng egg and syempre yung cheese dip. And I think many of you will agree na the more cheese, the better. But wait, there's more. Apart from the usual na 649 set, meron pa silang piso upgrade kung saan you also get unlimited tuna in different marinades, meron ding scallop, shrimp, at yung mga seafood balls. Grabe, diba? Ano pa bang hahanapin mo kung ganito karami yung options? Craving satisfied ka talaga dyan. And lastly, kung gusto mo mag-upgrade ng bottomless drinks, this naman is 49 pesos. So the next time you're out looking for yakiniku, itry nyo na rin dito sa Yoshimitsu and enjoy!